Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce you a very popular and easy to use diagramming software, Wondershare EdrawMax. You can easily create any type of diagram with Wondershare EdrawMax software, such as flowcharts, mind maps, organizational diagrams, basic diagram, graphs and chart, floor plans, electrical engineering, etc. Let's start. How to download EdrawMax? First of all, in your web browser type EdrawMax, then hit the very first provided link and it will take us to the official page. Here you can see EdrawMax product of Wondershare, which helps to create simple, smart and stunning diagrams for every idea we have. Let's download the software. Once it will be downloaded in our system. Then we will install it, and here is the EdrawMax software. This tool can be used for various purposes, and these varies from flowcharts, mind maps, organizational diagrams, basic diagram, graphs and chart, floor plans, electrical engineering, many more. Further, you can see the local templates. It means you can use these templates to create your own. So let me open one and try something. Here is the existing template which can be modified as per our need. It's simple to edit, just click the text and replace it. Further, you can see different options, and here you can choose the color from variety of options. Here on the left side you can see there are various options. We can add text in different style, we can add images as per our need. Furthermore, different icons can be added. More importantly, various charts can be seen here, which can be added in our required diagram. You can export your diagram many type of format. Let's go back to the home page and explore other essential and unique features. Here in the Draw AI you can see various things. The first thing is AI chat. It means using EdrawMax we can chat to get answers to our concerns, which means this can act as chat GPT and other AI tools. Besides using the same platform, we can generate images. Furthermore, using this AI feature, we can create stunning diagrams. You can see various options here. Let's explore its potential to create flowcharts. Let me click. And here is the interface. On the right bottom you can see a prompt bar. Here we can type our prompt and generate the desired results. In our case, we have already copied the text, so let's paste it over here. Basically, we want to create a flowchart for our business proposal. Once you are done with typing, then hit enter, and it will hardly take a few seconds to bring forth the result. Here you go. This software has created a flowchart around our concern, and here it is. Now it's simple to edit and make changes. To change the text, let's double click it and enter your desired text. Further, we can extend these boxes, and in the same way we can make changes manually to reach our desired goal. Likewise, we can change the colors in a single click of button. Once done with these changes, we can download this diagram in our system. To do so, let's hit save and choose the folder, and you are good to go. EdrawMax can be used for various purposes, which are essential for academicians. In a nutshell, EdrawMax is the best software with perfect AI features to fulfill all the desired goals of researcher, business and students. EdrawMax is a simple and user-friendly all-in-one diagram software that includes over 210 types of diagrams, including flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, floor plans, UML diagrams, and more. Try EdrawMax and let us know your thoughts in the comment box.